So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm excited to share with you guys the 5 best items that you can begin reselling in 2021 to make some extra cash in your life. Now, depending if you want an extra $100 a week, depending if you want to scale to make an extra $1,000 a week, it is so possible in the way of the internet. So guys, stick along, take advantage of learning how to resell online, and you can actually change your income, change your life, and begin making money reselling. Now, the problem is you might not know where to begin, where to go find items, what to look for. So this video is going to answer all your questions and allow you to get started reselling in 2021. Let's go get it. So guys, before we jump into the nitty gritty and the fun stuff, I would just love to share my quick story on my journey as a reseller. Now, a current ZipRecruiter study showed that an average reseller in 2021 is going to make around $97,000 a year. Now, that's absolutely incredible. Imagine the opportunity that you can make if you learn how to resell and begin making money online. Now, for me, I had that ambition, I had that goal, and it really excited me as well. I didn't know how to begin, but I found a way. And for me, as a college student, I began running an eBay business, a reselling business, selling men's and women's clothes from my college dorm. Now, with this strategy, I was able to make a little over $2,000 a month reselling, going to college, and throughout my college days. So guys, I want to kind of break it down on the different types of items that you can resell, as well as the platforms that will allow you to start selling and which are the best ways for you to start making money reselling in 2021. So without further ado, let's jump into the first item that you want to begin selling in 2021 to start making a little extra cash in your life. So the first item that you can begin reselling online is men's and women's clothes. Now for me, I talked about my eBay business, and that's exactly what I sold. Now the great thing about this model is that this industry is continuing to grow. The secondhand industry is predicted to double in the next 5 years. This industry of reselling and secondhand shopping is going from $24 billion to almost $51 billion in the next 5 years. So guys, where can you get started reselling on eBay? Now for me, where you want to go find these products are in local thrift stores. Now if you want to begin selling on eBay, I'd say start selling your men's and women's clothes that you no longer use in your closet. Learn and figure out how you can start making money selling on eBay. But if you really want to scale, and something that I did in my current eBay journey was to go to thrift stores, look out for vintage and popular name brands. These are all in the thrift store. Basically, go out there, search for them, look them up in the eBay app, find their value, and if they can get them at a discount, you buy them and then flip them on eBay. Now for me, some of the most profitable brands that I resold and flipped on eBay were Lululemon, Vineyard Vines, Patagonia, LL Beam, Southern Tide. These brands are all in the thrift store and allows you to start making money. So once you find these items, what you're going to do is go home, take pictures, list them on either Poshmark, eBay, or even Facebook Marketplace, and you can begin making money reselling used men's and women's clothes and start making money in your life in 2021. Now the second items that you can begin reselling in 2021 come down to clearance items. Now you've probably heard of the Amazon FBA model, fulfilled by Amazon. So what you're doing is basically similar to the first model that we went over. You're going to be looking in discount retailer stores, going through clearances in Walmart's, Marshalls, Payless, finding opportunity to find discounted and clearance items. Now what you want to do is download a few apps. First, you want to become a seller using Amazon FBA, and secondly, get the Scout IQ app. Now with the model and with the selling platform on Amazon, you have the same ability to look up these items that you're searching for. If you can buy these items at a discount, you now have the power to flip and make a lot of money selling on Amazon FBA. Now the beauty of this model is that once you find the inventory, you send it out to the Amazon warehouse, and basically all your logistics, your packing, your shipping to the customer is fulfilled by Amazon. So what I would say is spend time researching, learning about certain items that you can, and get your hands going into the Marshalls, the TJ Maxxes, and find your niche and begin looking for clearance items, discount items that you can flip and make profit selling on Amazon. And Amazon is only going to continue to grow. More people are shopping on Amazon. Amazon is taking over e-commerce. So why can't you get your small piece of the pie and start making some money selling on Amazon? Now, the third profitable item that you can begin reselling in 2021 that's going to make you some extra cash is furniture. furniture. You might ask, why the hell would someone want to buy used furniture? Well, Ryan Pineda, our friend, allowed us to see how he made an extra $8,000 a month reselling used furniture. Now, there are different models that you can take up with reselling furniture. The first way you can do it is go out to Facebook Marketplace or thrift stores, and this is where you're going to find your inventory. Secondly, you're going to either try to buy it as a free item, basically on Facebook Marketplace in the free section, looking for couches, sectionals, and then go ahead and just relist them, flipping them back on Facebook Marketplace. Now you might think, how is this going to work? Yeah, people are getting and letting go of free furniture. Now, if you can identify, find good items to resell, go ahead, pick it up, use a trailer, use a truck, call a buddy, go pick up the furniture, and then go relist it back on Facebook to make money. Some of these items are reselling for $200 to $500, especially if they're quality leather sectionals. So if you can buy those for free, even better. But if you can't find them for free on Facebook Marketplace, maybe you pay an extra $100 and then flip them for $500, and you make around $400 per item reselling furniture. And the second way you can go about this model is to find these items on Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, and go ahead and do a little bit of makeup transformation and restoration. Vintage furniture continues to sell, and if you know exactly what you're looking for and you have the time, you're artistic, and you love kind of crafting and building furniture, then you have the opportunity to make money. Now, people might be throwing away free furniture, people might throw away furniture that has no value, but if you can identify these items, go ahead, maybe sand them up, stain them, resell them, make them look vintage, and restore them back to their beautiful furniture that they were, guess what? You're going to have buyers waiting to pick these items up. So kind of have that knack, understand what you want to do with your furniture reselling business, and you're on your way to start making some extra cash in 2021, flipping furniture. Now, the fourth item that you can go ahead and start reselling in 2021 goes down to technology, iPhones, old consoles, gaming systems, Wii, whatever you can find, cameras. Technology continues to have a marketplace. Now, what I would say is that you can either sell these on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or even an app called Declutter. I'd say go ahead and send your items into Declutter. They'll give you a value for the items. They'll evaluate what you sent in, mainly iPhones, old Androids, Galaxy products, and then they'll go ahead and send you a check for what it was actually valued. So this is like a secondhand marketplace where you can go ahead, sell them, they do all the dirty work, and they resell them for a little bit more money to make money on their business. But if you guys find these iPhones, if you find technology, if you find cameras, go ahead and start making money with them. Now, the best way for you to find or source these items are, number one, is through your friends. Now, if I was in high school again, I would go ahead and start talking to all my buddies. Now, there's so many people that you know, and think about yourself that have iPhones laying around. People just are too lazy to go ahead and sell them on their own. They probably have them sitting in their dressers. They don't want to worry about going ahead and making money because they don't see the opportunity. Now, phones are getting absolutely ridiculous. Now, these things sell like crazy on eBay. So if you can get your hands through your friends, or even you have your own technology at your house, go ahead and list them on eBay, Declutter, and you can begin your journey making money reselling old iPhones, technology. An absolute fire marketplace and items to begin reselling. People love technology, and if you can find them at a discount, flip them to make money. This is one of the best ways that you can start making money in 2021. People are out there searching for these items, so if you can find these at a discount, I'm guaranteeing you that you're going to make money. But be sure to make sure that these items are in working condition, list any flaws, and be honest when you're selling these items. The worst thing that you want to do is run into customers being unsatisfied, having them send the products back, and you're just losing money when you should be making money selling the right items, and especially profitable items like iPhone and old technology. And the fifth and last very profitable item that you can begin reselling in 2021 is new and used shoes. Now, that just seems like a brilliant marketplace to go ahead and start making money in. You probably know some friends, some family members who are absolutely trying to kind of cash in on the new reselling model on shoes. Well, there's two ways that you can do it. Now, for me, I was a shoe reseller through eBay. So what I would say is you can begin selling used shoes, like these military boots that I picked up for $15 at a local thrift store. I went ahead and flipped them the next day on eBay for $70, and the customer even paid shipping. So there's a lot of opportunity out there in the thrift stores to source these products. Well, if they're new or used, you can find these items in the thrift store. And the great thing about it is that there's typically a lot of inventory with shoes, but the problem is you have to make sure that they're in good condition. Make sure you can check out the flaws and be on the lookout for both men's and women's shoes, both athletic, both running, both dress, dance shoes, cowboy boots. All those shoes typically sell well if you get them at a great discounted price and then go ahead and resell them on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Now, the second way that you can do this, that you've probably heard of, is people that are kind of plugged in on these Discord group chats, people that are searching StockX, people that are going to Marshalls, to clearance sections, buying bulk and reselling them either on Amazon or back onto StockX. Now, for me personally, I didn't really understand the shoe model of buying and reselling, and it wasn't something that fit my kind of excitement when I went into reselling. And you've probably heard of the incredible stories of people making over $100,000 a year buying and reselling new shoes back on StockX. Whatever marketplace works best for you, selling new shoes is a great opportunity for you to start making cash in 2021. So guys, I hope this video gave you some clarity, some understanding on how you can begin making money in 2021. There is so much opportunity out there. Once you learn a model, stick with it. So I hope you can use this video as some guidance, some motivation, and some inspiration to begin your reselling journey. If you need some extra cash, you want to change your lifestyle, or if you need help paying your bills, I believe in 2021 reselling is going to allow you that opportunity. So guys, if you made it this far and you've not yet commented, liked, or even subscribed to the channel, I would be a little bit set. And more importantly, guys, I'm so grateful to share what I've learned in this space with you guys, and I hope it helps you get started on your reselling journey. As always, guys, stay in tune for the next video, as well as take care, stay safe. I love you guys as always. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.